Yo, yo, what's up, what's up? This is Jeff Burnett coming to you with another amazing video to knock it out the box. Guys, I had so much trouble with this, so I figured maybe you might have the same problem that I did. So I'm going to help you guys out by doing a video because I kind of figured out what we need to do here. So we're in this column right here, right? So if you got numbers and they looking all crazy and you got Excel file and you got your numbers, your phone numbers, and they're looking all crazy, and they should be stacked right here. They should be stacked one after the other, and this column should be moved over here to the left. This is how you fix that, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the column that it's in, which is the T column. Then you hit the Control C, and then you go up here to File, then you hit New, create you a new Excel spreadsheet, all right? Control V, paste it in. So now here's what you got. You've got all your numbers and you got all these blank spaces, all right? And you got numbers to the left, you got numbers to the right, and it's just not stacked right, it doesn't look right, it's just a headache. You know, if you want to put these numbers in your dialer, you probably can still upload them in your dialer and all that, but then you don't really know how many you're putting in there. And your dialer will count them for you usually. It'll tell you how many is uploaded successfully, or your text software or whatever. But the problem is, let's say this file has 600, a little over 600, but let's say I only want to upload 200. I don't really even know how many I have because it's not accurately, proportioned out to where I could see it. So here's how you fix it. The first part is really easy, but the second part is very difficult. It's not difficult once you know it, but to figure it out, it's pretty difficult. So here's what you do. So to move all these numbers here that are on the right to the left, that's easy. All you do is align, and that's it. So you align left, and they go to the left. That's easy. Everybody knows that. But how do you fill in these spaces? This is what you need to do. All right? So catch this. All you do, okay, is what you're going to do is you're going to highlight your column. All right? Then what you're going to, because we want to delete all these spaces so our numbers can be stacked on top of each other. So we highlight the column like we just did, all right? Then we go over here to Find and Select. Then we go to Special, and then we go to Blanks, because what we want to do is we want to remove the blanks. All right? Now you see all the blanks are highlighted. All right? Cool, 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 cool. That's what we want. So now here comes the easy part. All you have to do is delete, and then you're going to want to shift the cells up or shift cells left, whatever you want to do, but we want to shift cells up. Hit OK. Boom. Now all your spaces are gone. Now you can look and see exactly how many numbers that you have in this file when you want to upload them for your text or for your phone broadcast, whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? So this one has 616, and there are your numbers. So now I can break them up in 100s, 200s, 300s, whatever I want to do. All right? So here's another video of how to move blank spaces. Not another video. Here is the video of how to move blank spaces, remove blank spaces within Excel. All right? Hope this helps. Signing out. Peace.